A is 10, D is also 10. So A will be 10, A plus D will be 20, A plus 2D will be 30, and A plus 3D will be 40. Okay. And A, D is 10. Okay, it is given. Second, A is minus 2 and D is 0. So first term will be minus 2. Second term will also be minus 2. Third term will also be minus 2. And fourth term will also be same. Then A is 4. D is minus 3. So first term is 4. Second term will be 4 minus 3. Then it will be 4 minus 2 into minus 3 into 2. And 4 minus 3 into 3. So this will be 4, 1. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. And 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Then fourth part, A is minus 1, D is 1 by 2. So first term is minus 1, A plus D, A plus 2D, and A plus 3D. Okay, it is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. This is 0. And this will be minus 1 plus 3 by 2. That is equal to minus 2 plus 3 upon 2. So it is 1 by 2. This will be the answer. Fifth part, A is minus 1.25 and D is minus 0.25. So A is minus 1.25. A plus D is minus 1.25 minus 0.25. Then A plus 2D minus 1.25 minus 2 into 0.25. And next will be A plus 3D. A is minus 1.25 plus 3 into 0.25. Okay. So this will be minus 1.25 minus 1.5 minus 1.75 and 2 minus 2. Okay. This will be the answers. Question 3. For the following AP, write the first term and the common difference. So first part, first term is 3. Common difference, if it is AP, we have to just do A2 minus A1. A2 is 1 and A1 is 3. So 1 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2. Second, A is minus 5 and D is second term is 1 minus first term. Okay. So it is minus 1 plus 4, that is plus 5, sorry, that is equal to 4. Okay. Third, A is 1 by 3 and D is second term, that is 5 by 3 minus first term, that is equal to 4 by 3. Fourth part, A is 0.6 and D is second term minus first term, that is equal to 1.1. Okay. So any doubt till here? Which of the following are AP? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write the 3 more terms. So here actually this is a combined question. 2-3 questions are asked. First of all, we have to check whether it is an AP or not. If it is a AP, then we have to find a common difference and we have to write 3 more terms. This is A1, A2, A3 and A4. So first step, A2 minus A1, that is equal to 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. A3 minus A2, that is equal to 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. So, okay, so this is not AP. Okay. A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. So, no, it is not AP. Second part, 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. This is A1, A2, A3 and A4. Okay. A2 minus A1, that is equal to 5 by 2 minus 2. So it is 5 minus 4 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Okay. Then A3 minus A2, A3 minus A2, that is equal to 3 minus 5 by 2. Okay, so that is equal to 6 minus 5 by 2, that is again 1 by 2. Then a4 minus a3, that is 7 by 2 minus 3. So 7 minus 6 by 2, that is also 1 by 2. So yes, it is an AP with D equals to 1 by 2. Now we have to obtain more terms. So A5 will be equal to A4 plus D. So A4 is 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 2. 8 by 2, that is 4. And A6 equals to A5 plus D. A5 is 4 plus 1 by 2. So it is 8 plus 1 upon 2, that is equal to 9 by 2. And A7 equals to A6 plus D, that is equal to 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 2, 9 plus 1, that is equal to 10 by 2, that is 5. Okay. So these are the next terms: 4, 9 by 2 and 5. Okay. Then third part, minus 1 by 2, 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2. This is A1, A2, A3, A4. First step is A2 minus A1, that is equal to minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2, that is minus 3.2 plus 1.2. So 3.2 minus 1.2, that will be equal to minus 2. A3 minus A2, that is minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2, that is equal to minus 5.2 plus 3.2. So it is minus 2 again. Then A4 minus A3, that is minus 7.2 minus of minus 5.2, that is equal to minus 7.2 plus 5.2, that is also minus 2. So yes, it is an AP with D equals to minus 2. Okay, and next terms will be A5 equals to A4 plus D. A4 is minus 7.2 minus 2, so it will be minus 9.2. A6 equals to A5 plus D, that is equal to minus 9.2 minus 2, that is minus 11.2. And A7 equals to A6 plus D, that is equal to minus 11.2 minus 2, that is minus 13.2. Okay, so these are the answers: minus 9.2, minus 11.2 and minus 13.2. Okay, minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 dot dot. This is A1, A2, A3, A4. A2 minus A1, that is minus 6 minus of minus 10, that is equal to minus 6 plus 10, that is equal to 4. A3 minus A2, that is equal to minus 2 minus of minus 6, that is equal to minus 2 plus 6, that is equal to 4. A4 minus A3, that is 2 minus of minus 2, that is again 2 plus 2, that is 4. So yes, it is an AP. Okay, we have to find A5. So A5 equals to A4 plus D, that is equal to 4 plus 4. Okay, so 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6. A6 equals to A5 plus D, that is equal to 6 plus 4, that is 10. A7 equals to A6 plus D, that is equal to 10 plus 4, that is 14. Okay, so these are the next terms: 6, 10 and 14. 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 and 3 plus 3 root 2. This is A1, A2, A3, A4. A2 minus A1, that is equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So it is root 2. A3 minus A2, that is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. So that is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is only root 2. A4 minus A3, that is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2, that is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2. So 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, that is root 2 only. So yes, it is an AP. And A5 will be equal to A4 plus D with D equals to root 2. Okay. A4 equals to 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. So it will be 3 plus 4 root 2. 3 root 2 plus 1 root 2 will be 4 root 2. A6 equals to A5 plus D, that is equal to 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2, that is equal to 3 plus 5 root 2. And A7 equals to A6 plus D. Okay. So that is equal to 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2, that is equal to 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay. So next terms are this, this and this.